Namaskar. Welcome to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. In this video, we are going to learn about Mayurasana or how to do Mayurasana. So I'm going to take a Mayurasana tutorials where I will be teaching you the tips and tricks of Mayurasana. For Mayurasana or a Peacock Pose, your main foundation is your wrists, your shoulders and the abdomen. If these things are not clear, then definitely you may have trouble doing Mayurasana or Peacock Pose. Also, I'll be showing you how you can do it with the blocks and the wall, because it's very important that props when you start with something new asana, props helps you initially, and then you can come to the mat and you can practice Mayurasana. So let's start and let's see how you can prepare yourself. So first thing is we start with the wrist rollers. So make sure, friends, like those who have wrists are very sensitive, or those who have shoulder dislocation, or those who have some operation like recent operation, make sure you don't practice Mayurasana. This is for the yoga experienced people, and for those who are really like energetic and those who want to really try something new and challenge themselves, then definitely you can try this at home. Okay, so first step is you need to place your palms like this, inverted. So your wrist, so here you are working on the wrist. So how do you roll your wrist forward and backward? So this is how you place your palms inside, and then you can just give a little rolling of your wrist. It's just like you're preparing yourself and you're letting your body know that I am going to bear my weight on my wrist, because peacock, in this Mayurasana Peacock Pose, the wrist will be like this. Your fingers will be pointing inside. So it's very important to warm up your wrist before you start. Also, you can place it flipping your palms upside down, and same thing. You keep practicing, breathe in and breathe out. Also make a little rolling, like rotating your body, so your wrists will get a little more warmed up. Yes. Now after that you move to the forearm planks. So even your shoulders should be having a little weight, like you should bear the weight of your body, right? Because Mayurasana will be like this. Your lower body will be rising up and you are putting your weight on the upper side of the body. So this trunk, your wrist, shoulders, this entire thing will be bearing whole weight. So it's important to practice a little plank. Okay, so you can just go little in downward facing, coming in planks, breathe in, breathe out. So this will give you a little, again, warming sensation to the wrist, fingers wide open. So you will fold your fingers and you're using your fingertips also. Breathe in and breathe out. After doing this 10 rounds, then we move to the ab workout. So for the ab workout, you can just lay down on your spine and a little, you can do a little, however you want to do ab workout. You can either take a sit-ups or you can breathe in, breathe out. So this way you can do this 10 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Yeah. So when you feel that yes, now my body is warmed up, and when you are really charged up with your wrist and the shoulders and the abdomen, then you can start using the props. Yes, I am actually warmed up, and make sure you listen to your body that yes, I am ready with the preparation. Now first thing is we use the blocks. So how do you start with the blocks? Here I'll be showing you from the sideways. You need to place the block standing. Okay, so your shoulder will be, both the shoulders will be on top of the blocks. So make sure they are nicely like nicely gripped down, so they are not falling apart. Okay, and your palms, as I said, you have to place your palms inverted. And also one more suggestion, while doing this practice, make sure you do not have a bloated tummy, otherwise you may puke out. So make sure your stomach is empty while doing this practice, because your elbows are going to tuck in. It will be right next to the belly button. You can see the belly button, it's just next to the belly button. So it's more of contracting your abdominal organs, and it's very good for the sluggish spleen and the liver and the pancreas. All the abdominal organs will get massaged here. Yeah, so make sure you do it with the empty stomach, early morning, evenings, whenever you practice. So your wrist like this, fingers pointing in, as I said, fingers wide open so that you can use your palms well. And then you need to decide like how much distance is the blocks, and as per that you will keep shifting your body. Then you will slightly bend your elbow, also your legs will slightly move back, and then bend your elbow. See this arms, my upper arm is tucked in closer to the trunk, and it's on my trunk area. It's not on the side. I'm not doing this, okay? People generally do this mistake. They remove their arms out of this alignment, and they have a lot of pressure on the wrist and they injure their wrist. So it's make sure that your hands should be like this. If you see, my wrist is in and my elbows are closer to the belly button, and my arms are on my trunk and not on the side. My elbow is pointing in and not out. Yes, this is very important. Okay, once this is done, it will take time. Those who are getting confused at, oh, how to place the hands, don't worry, it will come with the practice. And just see how I'm placing my hands. This is in, not out, okay? This is the foundation, first thing. And then when I squeeze my tummy in, my shoulder, see, automatically my shoulder will fall down on my blocks. See, when I achieve or attain this, it becomes easy for me to lift my leg up one by one, one by one. As you can see, I'm able to lift my wrists, I'm able to lift my legs. Yes? So, and then you can relax. Relax your wrists, rest your head down. It's not that easy, guys, so you will feel a lot of like blood rushing towards your head, but do it slowly with the slow pace, like week after week. At least you practice this for a week. Then second thing what you can do is, also if suppose this time when the blocks are moving, you can shift your block in the rectangle shape. So this gives you a little more grip. I have been practicing Mayurasana by keeping my thumb, tip of my thumb on the floor. So I have a gap of my palm. So I will be practicing this way, but if you are still a beginner, use your palms completely. Okay? So I'll be showing you how. In rectangle block also, you just lean down and you lift your leg up. See, this becomes so easy. Yes? And then while coming down, you just drop your toes and relax for a while. Shoulders relax. Just shaken up. After this, I'll be showing you how you can use a blocks wall. Yes? I'll use the blocks also, I'll be using the wall also. As I have told you that you need to keep the distance well. If you see my flying pigeon pose, there also I have shown this thing. It's very generally if you use any kind of the arm balancing or any kind of like, practicing the asanas like doing a flying pigeon or doing a Mayurasana or kind of thing. So what happens is you generally use blocks and the wall. So these two are your main props initially. So now I'll be keeping the blocks this way. Palms again inverted. I will fix my foot, one foot there. And first I will check that I am comfortable. Okay. Then my elbows tuck in and arms are on my trunk and not on the outer side. And if I am flexible and if I am comfortable, I lift my other leg also. And then you can see I am ready to fly in Peacock or Mayurasana. So you can see, you can check my arms tucked in and my toes or my feet are on the wall. Then you may not even need the blocks because of the wall. You will understand to take the pressure by your own self. Yes, so initially with the blocks, then second with the wall, and the third thing is very simple, guys. You don't need these things, you are on the mat. So how? Let's start. So I'll be showing you the palms. As I said, first thing is to check your fingers are wide open. As I said, I have been practicing this way, so I will place my thumb on the floor. And then second, as I said, elbows in and the arms are on the trunk and not on the outer side. Okay, I'm showing you this again and again so that you get it clear and you can practice it well. Yes? And then we keep shifting our legs back until you don't reach your elbows to your belly, to your core area. It's just next to your belly button. And then you lean forward, you lift one leg and then you try lifting another leg and you are there. And then you can relax. Relax your wrists, your palms, and relax your shoulders. Hugging your shoulders. You can interlock your shoulders, interlock your fingers and just relax your shoulders a bit. So friends, if you have any kind of inflammation like while doing the practice, or if you find that it's sore in your shoulders or your wrist, do not worry. Make sure you apply little oiling or you do little warm or cold compression, yes, and it will be better. So I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on Mayurasana or Peacock Pose. Let me know in the comment box that did you practice this video? If yes, I would be glad. I'm much happy. So I would spread much love and peace and namaste. See you in my next video. Till then, stay blessed.